Hey everyone, it's your name and I'm so excited to celebrate Thomas Edison Day with you. Did you know that the great inventor Thomas Edison was once labeled a difficult child? But guess what? He didn't let that stop him. Instead, he became one of the most famous inventors in history, with over 1,000 patents. Can you believe that? That's a lot of inventions. Thomas Edison Day is celebrated every year on February 11th, honoring the genius who lit up the world, literally. And today, I'm going to show you some super fun and educational activities you can do at home with your little ones to celebrate this amazing inventor. Are you ready to learn about Thomas Edison and do some cool experiments? I know I am. Let's get started. Thomas Edison was a brilliant inventor who was born a long time ago back in 1847. That's like way before even my grandparents were born. And guess what? Edison wasn't always a genius. He actually struggled in school and was even homeschooled by his mother. Can you imagine being homeschooled? It would be so cool to learn everything at home. But even though he had a tough time in school, Edison never gave up. He was super curious about everything and loved to take things apart to see how they worked. He even had his own little laboratory where he would conduct experiments. That's so cool. And guess what? Through his curiosity, creativity, and determination, he actually changed the world. He didn't just invent the light bulb, you know. He actually made it practical and long-lasting so that everyone could use it. Before Edison came along, light bulbs didn't last very long, but Edison figured out a way to make them last much longer so people could actually use them in their homes and businesses. Isn't that amazing? Even more amazingly, he didn't give up even when things got tough. He failed over 1,000 times before perfecting the light bulb. Can you imagine trying something 1,000 times and not giving up? That's incredible. But you know what? That's what makes Thomas Edison so inspiring. He never gave up on his dreams, and neither should you. This is a great lesson for kids about resilience and problem solving, don't you think? Okay, are you ready for some super fun activities to celebrate Thomas Edison Day? I know I am. Let's get those inventor hats on and explore the world of science just like Edison. First up, we're going to build our very own Edison-inspired light bulbs. Don't worry, it's super safe and easy. We'll use things you can find around the house, like a jar, some wire, and a battery. We'll learn how circuits work and how electricity flows, just like Edison did when he was a kid. Next, we're going to travel back in time and make our own phonographs. Remember, that's the cool invention that lets us record and play back sound. We'll use simple materials like paper cups, needles, and some foil to create our own music makers. It's going to be so much fun experimenting with sounds and seeing how it all works. And for our final activity, we're going to explore the magic of motion pictures. Edison was a pioneer in the world of movies, and we're going to create our own moving pictures using the magic of stop-motion animation. We can use our toys, drawings, or even clay to make our own mini-movies. How cool is that? These activities are not just about having fun, though they're super fun, but they also teach you about science and history in a really exciting way. Remember, learning should always be an adventure. And with a little bit of imagination, we can make learning just as exciting as playing a game. Can you imagine a world without light bulbs? It would be pretty dark, right? We wouldn't be able to see at night, read our favorite books, or even watch TV. But thanks to Thomas Edison, we have light bulbs that brighten up our homes and cities. Before the light bulb, people used candles and gas lamps to see in the dark. Can you imagine how hard that was? They had to worry about fires, and the light wasn't very bright at all. But Edison's invention changed everything. He made it possible for people to have safe and reliable light whenever they needed it. And guess what? His inventions didn't stop there. Edison's work also paved the way for so many amazing technologies that we use every single day. Without Edison, we wouldn't have movies to watch, recorded music to listen to, or even some of the electrical systems that power our homes. Think about it. When you watch a movie with your family or listen to your favorite song, you have Thomas Edison to thank for that. His inventions sparked a revolution in technology, and his ideas continue to inspire inventors even today. It's amazing to think that one person's curiosity and determination could have such a huge impact on the world, right? But that's the power of invention. When we use our imaginations and never give up on our dreams, we can achieve incredible things, just like Thomas Edison did. Hey grown-up friends, want to make learning about Thomas Edison even more fun for your little ones? Well, you're in luck. We've got some super cool, totally free printable Thomas Edison worksheets that you can download right now. These worksheets are packed with fun activities like word searches, quizzes, and even invention challenges that will put your little inventor's skills to the test. They'll have a blast learning about Edison's life, inventions, and the impact he had on the world. Just imagine your kids getting excited about history and science while they're having so much fun, they won't even realize they're learning. It's the perfect way to celebrate Thomas Edison Day and inspire the next generation of inventors and thinkers. To download your free worksheets, simply click the link in the description below. It's that easy. We've even included different levels of difficulty, so you can find the perfect activities for your child's age and learning style. So what are you waiting for? Download those worksheets and get ready for some serious learning fun with Thomas Edison. And hey, don't forget to share pictures of your little inventors hard at work on social media and tag us. We can't wait to see their amazing creations. Wow, we learned so much about Thomas Edison today. He was a really amazing inventor who never gave up on his dreams, and look at all the incredible things he accomplished. So, what's your favorite Thomas Edison invention? Mine is the light bulb. I can't imagine life without it. Let me know your favorites down in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun learning videos. Remember, never give up on your dreams. Even Edison failed before he succeeded. Bye.